In the heart of the wild where the golden plain meet the dense forest is an extraordinary encounter unfolds. Two worlds collide, each ruled by its own fierce predator, wolves and lions. The lions, regal and mighty, rule their territory with unquestioned authority. They are the kings of the Savannah. A pack of wolves emerges from the forest, led by their alpha, a fierce and wise she-wolf. From the depths of the forest, a pack of wolves appears, led by their fearless leader. They seek a new territory, a place to call home. The moon casts a silvery glow as the wolves and lions come face to face at the borderline. The air is thick with tension. Under the moon's watchful eye, the wolves and lions meet at the edge of two worlds. Tension fills the air as they face each other, each determined to protect their domain. In this wild land, survival is the ultimate law. Will these two fierce leaders find a way to coexist, or will the clash of the wild lead to an epic battle? In the heart of the wild, a delicate balance must be struck. The future of these noble creatures hangs in the balance. We hope you enjoyed this story of the wild. To help us create more videos, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. Thanks for your support. Till next time, stay snazzy.